we check the Repost tool. Repost means which post you want to post from another user. So first of all, we want to set source or targeted audience, targeted people, where post we want to repost on my or our wall or story. So this is the setting for Repost. Here we can add the hashtag and click the repost of a specific user. Selection rank 1000. Only top rated post. So only top rated post we want to repost, and a specific user, this user's post only we repost. Then we can see the result here, if it work or not. Then setting, if we started it or stop it, then it's working. So next, just users and hashtag option. Here you want to specifically searching a niche related user, then you can search a username here and search suggested user. Then here Jarvee is suggest you about your niche related user's profile. Then we can check the like comment. It's same setting as the like and comment setting. So no need to repeat the same setting line. You just like limit 50 to 100. Then you just setting the source. If you want to set a specific user comment, then set here. If you like to own post, or if you like to buy hashtag search, then you just click and put the related hashtag here, then it's working. So just start it, then it's working. Save post is not most essential, because it's if you need to save some user's post on your wall, then you can this setting. You just check this setting similar and start it. So story viewer is important for account. So if you set the story view weight between 50 to 60, view between 5 to 10, similar setting here. View story limit 190 to 290. So you can set it, that is similar. Limit maximum number of story per user 2 to 4. That's mean per user 2 or 4 story it can view. Skip non-English user. User has must profile picture. That's it. So you need to select source. Similarly, you just use your source, your targeted audience, your niche related targeted audience, and here you can find the result. Full browser exp is not essential, so if you need, you just copy this setting and start it. Mute user is not most important, so if you need it to run, then you just copy my setting and put your Jarvee, then it will be started and it will be working. So if you want anything to know about Jarvee, or if you need a Jarvee specialist, so contact with me, comment on the below video comment box. If you need anything to know, you can contact with me. So keep safe your account. You just copy this setting. Hope your account is grow more quickly.